This is my Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max pool cleaner. This is the top of the line pool cleaner. This is the first of its kind to be all-in-one. It cleans the floors, the sides, the surface, and the water line. It actually does the surface of the pool, picking up any debris that's floating on the surface. You don't have to wait for that debris to settle down to the bottom and get it in the next run. It gets your pool perfect every time. It's such a great machine. Let me tell you some of the great details. It is massive. Look at these large dual action track wheels here that help it to climb and turn. It has great obstacle avoidance, and it has a very big canister. The cleaning bin is very easy to pick up just like that. It's a large quantity, so it holds a lot of debris. If you have a storm or leaves falling in your pool, this is the thing that you want to get. It's great in the summer, and in the winter, it's even more helpful because of their ability to pick up leaves that float on the pool surface, and you will love having this machine. It puts all the fun back in the pool, and if you're anything like my family, the pool is a safe place. It's the fun place where we gather. It's a refreshing time, and we use it year-round. It is cordless, and it will work for 3,200 square feet and for 10 straight hours. It has a 12-hour cleaning time for the surface, 5 hours for the pool, and 5.5 when it's in eco mode. It has 3 different modes that you can easily select from right here: Eco, Auto, and Max, and it will do the entire perimeter of the pool with a precision mapping system. It has 40 excellent sensors that are very advanced to help detect where there is trash, and it has obstacle avoidance. It's very powerful. Let me show you how it works. I have charged it in advance, and you just press for 2 seconds and you put it in. That's it. And it's going to go to the bottom and remind itself of the memory of my pool shake, and it's going to start on the floor and execute with precision every square inch of this pool. It keeps it so clean that it actually helps with my chemical control because there is no debris floating around. And the best part about it is when it's finished, it will park on the surface. It has a 15-minute parking window where it comes to the top and parks near the edge, so it's easy to retrieve. It does come with an optional caddy that helps you carry it to the electrical source, but the fact that it's cordless and we don't have to worry about a card sticking out or electricity in the pool. It will vacuum my steps, my floor, my walls, the water line, and it will skim the surface. Watch it as it cleans this tanning shelf. Look how it climbs the walls, even the curved spaces. It hangs on there with those mighty gripping caterpillar type wheels, and that powerful motor pulls in the debris off the water line and the sides of the pool and retreats and comes back again in a systematic approach. Look at it climb the steps of this pool, cleaning each as it goes. That powerful grip that it has allows it to hurdle that step. Look at it here, skimming the pool, retrieving the grass clippings on the surface, making the pool ultimately clean in a systematic, organized way on the surface of the pool. Look at that, beautiful clean pool, beautiful blue water, and Scuba X Pro Max comes to the side. You can even retrieve it with the hook that's provided, or just pick it up manually. You can return it to its caddy where it sits at a slanted position like this, recharging itself, getting ready for the next cleaning. A coordinating caddy is available to help you wheel it to the place of your choice. This is the one you want to get, the Aiper X1 Scuba Pro Max. It was provided for me for my honest review, and I love telling you all about this magnificent machine. It's everything you want in a pool cleaner plus more. That surface cleaning puts it over the edge. I hope you found this helpful, and like and follow us to see more.